There are about 5 triphthongs in English. You need to understand that a triphthong is the combination of a diphthong with a monophthong. Number 1, ow, which is a diphthong, plus a, which is a monophthong, gives hour. Ow, the diphthong, plus a, the monophthongs, gives hour. Number 2, I, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives aya. I, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives aya. Number 3, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives air. A diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives air. Number 4, o, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives oa. O, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives oa. Number 5, oi, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives oya. Oi, a diphthong, plus a monophthong, gives oya. Watch out for my next videos on these triphthongs. There, I'll be taking each of these triphthongs and discuss them in details. Thank you for watching.